Dear students, today we want to determine the height of a mountain by simple pendulum or a tall building by simple pendulum. At first we will consider a diagram that is, this is nothing but a hill. This is the surface of the hill and this is the top or crest of the hill. So the height between top and bottom is h. Now we will calculate at first the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the hill and at the top of the hill. So we know the acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface is g equal to gm by r square, where g is the universal constant and m is the mass of the earth and r is the radius. Again, the top of the hill, the acceleration due to gravity is h equal to gm by r plus h. It will be here in the equation we have simply written simply r, and when at the top of the hill it has been written r plus h the whole square. So the ratio GE by GH, what will be GM by R square, GM by R plus H the whole square. So GE by GH, that is GH is the acceleration due to gravity of the hill at the top. So GM by R square into R plus H whole square by GM. So we have GE by GH equal to R plus H whole square by R square. If we apply A plus B whole square formula, so we can write down H square by R square, then R square by R square to RH by R square by H square R square. So we can write 1 plus 2h by R plus H square by R square. So it can be written 1 plus h by R whole square. So the ratio of G by GH, that is the acceleration due to gravity at the earth surface and the acceleration due to gravity on the hill is this. Again, the time period of the oscillation of the simple pendulum, what will be? সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমরা এখানে দেখলাম যে প্রথমে এইখানে এর সারফেসের মানে ভূপৃষ্ঠে এই জির মানটা আমরা জানি এই ফর্মুলা, এবং যখন এইটাকে উচ্চতা নির্ণয় করা হয় এইচ উচ্চতা, তখন এই আর এর মানটা বেড়ে যায়, এত হয়, সুতরাং আমরা এত পাচ্ছি। এখন আমরা এর অনুপাত করলাম, এই অনুপাত করে আমরা আলটিমেটলি পেয়ে গেলাম জি বাই জিএইচ ইকুয়াল টু 1 প্লাস এইচ by r the whole square. আমরা এখন আমরা এটাকে লিখতে পারছি যে 1 প্লাস h by r equal to GE by GH, that is ratio of the acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface to the acceleration due to gravity on the hill is equal to this. Now we want to calculate the time period of the simple pendulum, that is oscillation. If we take any simple pendulum here and there, so what we'll have? So TE, that is time period on the earth surface, T equal to 2 pi L by GE, where GE is the acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface. Again TH, that is time period on the hill of the simple pendulum, is L by GH. Here L is also constant of the simple pendulum, so what will have? TE by TH 2 pi, that is L by GE by L by GH root, that is L by GE into GH by L, that is GH by GE. So we will have the ratio, that is the TE by TH is equal to GH by GE, that is the time period of the simple pendulum on the earth and the time period of the simple pendulum on the hill is equal to the gravitation due to the gravity due to the acceleration due to gravity on the hill to the GE, that is the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. So we can say the ratio of the time period on the earth surface to the hill is equal to the ratio of the acceleration due to gravity on the hill to the acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface and its root over. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, এরপরে আমরা দেখলাম যে এইখানে তার সরল দোলকের দোলনকাল কত সেটা বের করলাম। এইখানে সরল দোলকের দোলনকালটা আমরা এইটা হয়, আর এখানে সরল দোলকের দোলনকালটা এইটা হয়। তখন এইটার আমরা অনুপাত করলাম, অনুপাত করে আমরা এইটা কাটাকাটি করে আমরা আলটিমেটলি এইটা পেয়ে গেলাম। এখন আমরা এইচ নির্ণয় করতে হবে, আমাদের এই এইচটা নির্ণয় করতে হবে। সুতরাং আমরা কী লিখতে পারবো যে এই দুটো সমান, তাহলে কি আমাদের GH বাই GE, আমরা তাহলে এইটাকে কী লিখতে পারি, আমাদের ফর্মুলা GE বাই GH, সো আমরা চেঞ্জ করে ফেলবো এটা GE বাই GH ইকুয়াল টু TH by TE. So we can write down GE by GH equal to this. So this is equation number 1. So we will have finally 1 plus H by R equal to TH by TE, that is time period of the simple pendulum on the hill and to this time period of the simple pendulum on the earth is this, is equal to this. So we can write down finally. We like to calculate only the age. So within this term we have the age. So h by r equal to Th by Te minus 1. So h equal to Th by Te minus 1 into r, where r is the radius of the earth, Th is the time period on the hill, and T is the time period of the oscillation on the on the earth surface of the simple pendulum. So h equal to this. If we want to calculate a sum, that is the time period on the hill is 2.06, and the time period of the on the earth surface is 2, and radius of the earth we know 76371 into 10 to the power 3 meter. So we will have a result. That is attometer. Thank you. Next time we calculate the time period হলো আমাদের পৃথিবীতে দোলনকাল এত এবং হিলে বা মাউন্টেনে দোলনকালটা এত আমরা ধরে এটা করে দেখলাম যে এটার সাথে মেলে না, সুতরাং এটার বিপরীত করে নিয়ে Th by T, দ্যাট ইজ হিলে বা মাউন্টেনে এর টাইম পিরিয়ডটা কত, যেটা এটার সাথে মিলে যায়, হ্যাঁ। এই জন্য আমরা কিন্তু এটা করে এখানে আমরা বসাই দিলে আমরা এটা ম্যাথমেটিক্স পেয়ে গেলাম। Thank you very much for watching my video, dear students. Please share this video to your friends or others and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum once again.